Good day and welcome to Bangkok and this amazing canal area here you can see in the background. I just went here, it took like 40 minutes by car outside. There's actually another famous area a bit further away, but I didn't really have time to go there, so I'm gonna take you guys along here instead. Gonna check out some local canal, of course the boats, maybe some shopping. It's a lot of cool stores here in the background. But first we need some food. I actually went for a 6-kilometer run this morning and also the gym, so I need some fuel. So let's get some food first. Hello! And then we'll see what happens. There's a lot of cool fruits and snacks everywhere, sweets. I'm gonna start by having some proper food first. Some protein, maybe some chicken, maybe some fried rice, or I don't know, pad thai perhaps. But then I'm definitely gonna try some other of this all amazing snacks. You see like food stalls everywhere. I think it's gonna be really fantastic. Just gonna find somewhere to sit down here, but that looks like a really nice area. So I think I'm gonna sit down over here, order some nice stuff and just walk around. I have a feeling it's gonna be a very, very nice day. Wow, here it looks like we have all these fish. I had fish for lunch yesterday, but it's looking really interesting. We have a lot of squid, a lot of shrimp, a lot of smoked stuff. Wow, just take a look at this. It's looking totally incredible. All these red fish here. I think I definitely gotta try that. A lot of salt, not super healthy for you, but it's looking so fresh. Definitely gonna sit down and try that one. You basically have to buy the whole like fish here. I'm gonna have 2 small ones here. Gonna try this one and also this one, looking crazy good, and some shrimps. Definitely a bit too much for one meal, but you gotta try it on here. It looks so fresh. Cutting open, that looks crazy good. Then we just have some fresh vegetables in the background here. Not so much oil and stuff, just a lot of good fish, salt and fresh vegetables. I think it's gonna be a totally amazing lunch. Nice, we got some sauces here. That's amazing. Now we're getting a lot of stuff packed down here. 2 whole fish is gonna be crazy, but yeah, I just love a good, amazing meal. It's a good way to start the day, that is for sure. Reward after good exercise. Fantastic. Now we picked up a lot of insane vegetables here, and the food is gonna be totally crazy. But that's how I like my vacation. Crazy exploring and trying amazing food. Let's sit down here in the background and grab a chair. Okay, so we got this incredible collection of food, as you can see. It's pretty crazy. We got the shrimps here. We got this big, almost looks like kind of a sea bass or something, I don't know. A lot of salt on it, looks very crispy. And then we have this dark one here, and it's a vegetable, so very low on carb. It's very high protein. So let's dig in and try. I think it's gonna be pretty insane. Let's try with this dark fish first. Definitely haven't tried this before. Let's see if we can get it off. I think this is supposed to be catfish. Probably I've tried it before, but I'm not sure. Gonna dip in this sauce here. It's looking incredible. Some brown sauce, let's try it. Wow, that's an unexpected flavor. The sauce is really, really tasty. Let's have one here without the sauce first. That's unexpected. Very, very smoky. And just a big chunky with the skin and the sauce. It's amazing. Wow. Really love this sauce. Unexpectedly good. Let's have a shrimp. Okay, let's have a shrimp here. That's huge with some enormous claws here. Let's see if we can dip it in the sauce. Maybe I'll use my hands actually. Normally you peel it, but I'm a bit lazy. I like the crunchies. Let's try it. That is really, really nice. I have this chili sweet sauce here, the green one. Wow, it's amazing. You can even combine it with the vegetables. Really crazy nice. Okay, then we have the highlight of the show, the huge fish. Let's dig in here. Wow, we have a lot of like the skin and some crispy stuff and some meat. Let's try it. I think it's a lemongrass and the chili and a lot of salt. It's fantastic. Let's grab some white meat here. That is amazing. Very nutri flavor, but let's try with the sauce. We'll go for the dark one again. Oh, that's a lot of good stuff. It's incredible. A bit kind of like smoky. I haven't actually tried this flavor before here so far in Thailand. Of course, you can try it with a green spicy sauce as well. That is looking crazy. So good. Then we got a lot of healthy vegetables here, some corn and some basil. Also dip it in the sauce. Probably some sugar in there, but it's not too bad. It's amazing. Let's have it. Fresh basil or mint maybe. Crazy good. Yeah, let's try to go in for another shrimp here. Together with the brown sauce here. It's incredible. Let's have a crunchy bite. So good. Yeah, I'm just gonna take my time, enjoy some of this last piece here. It's a huge, enormous meal, but once again, I didn't eat anything before. I'm just gonna walk around, very, very active day. So I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this a lot and see you a bit later. Yeah, after that totally amazing, crazy meal, it's time to walk around a little bit so I don't fall asleep from the food coma. But gotta get some coffee first, and then I'm gonna sit down, hopefully find those canals and jump on the boat. But once again, it was basically only like fish and meat, so not too much carbs or rice, so not too bad. Just gonna walk around and see what more stuff we can find. There's so much interesting things going on here, but I think enough meat for now. Let's get something refreshing to drink. I think finally we found what I'm looking for. Coffee. Definitely need some good energy. You have coffee? Yes. Can I have one? Need to get some black coffee. Thank you. Amazing. So after this coffee here, we got some energy and we're gonna go down in the background here and actually go on the boats here. Just need some energy first. Nothing beats some refreshing coffee here. Next to the water, we're just enjoying the breeze. Actually, this tasted really good. It's not the typical powder one or the boring ones I normally buy. Oh, that's incredible. Gonna sit down and find the boat and then go explore. Okay, so find the embarkation point for the ferry. Gonna go down here, a bit of a private tour. Let's go explore. Nice, you can just sit down here and relax and enjoy the meal. Really relaxing. We'll see how long I stay here. Oh, here they're making some noodles on the boat. Maybe some other time. Amazing, very convenient to sit down here. Have a crazy good view going to the canal here. Yeah, you can go, of course, with the whole group. It's probably cheaper, but nice if you want to stay. You can take some photos here so you don't get stressed. I didn't go to that other big market, so it's nice to relax a bit here and just do as you please. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of cool stuff along the way. Already had a lot of food, so just relaxing, see where we end up. This is life, huh? Just cruising on the water here, enjoying the tropical climate and some fantastic stuff on the sides here. Good food, snacks, maybe some cool stuff you can buy. That's pretty good. There's definitely something special about this tropical environment here, and the sunshine and the breeze. So nice to just have the wind in your hair and your face. In the shade, and you have all these like banana trees and the cozy environment around. Totally amazing way to end this stop here in Bangkok before going to Phuket tomorrow. Okay, so since we got the first stop here to jump on here, explore a bit, at least if I understand it correctly. People are stopping here. A very nice, beautiful temple here. Yeah, let's check it out. Nice, we got a bit of a cozy market here. Just gonna walk around, explore a bit, maybe even fly my drone, we'll see. Once again, a lot of food recently, so no need for that, but it's fun to walk around and explore a bit. I'm sure we can see something. Yeah, let's go inside and check out these temples here. I love this like gold and red and all these colors everywhere. Really relaxing, beautiful. A lot of noises in the background, but I guess that comes with a religion here. Still very soothing. Better than all these noises in the street. Very relaxing. There's just so many beautiful temples and pagodas here in the background. Definitely a bit off the beaten track here. I think this kind of small area, so it's not too much people here, but really beautiful. Amazing, just walk around here. Yeah, so relaxing, just walk around there and explore the neighborhood here. This area with a lot of different temples. Have the drum and this kind of clock tower. A lot of different temples and pagodas everywhere. Just gonna walk around, take my time and enjoy a little bit the background, but then I'm just gonna go back to the boat. We have one more stop, so see you there. Amazing, so back in the boat. I wanted a Coke Zero, but didn't have it, so I found some Sprite Zero. Pretty interesting, 0 calories. Now let's continue, enjoy the ride here. Totally amazing. So refreshing. Wind, 0 sugar drinks and adventure. Love it. So the driver asked me, do you want to stop for coffee? And of course, yes, I never say no to coffee, so fantastic. Looking forward to jumping off here, 20 minutes, get some energy and enjoy some cold coffee, hopefully. See you there. Yeah, the coffee lady's up there. That is looking crazy nice. Keep calm and drink coffee. Yeah, that's definitely what I'm gonna do with this amazing background here. Just enjoying this to cool down a bit in this hot heat. Just never get enough of coffee. So amazing with this crazy nice and very cozy environment here. Really calm, just sit down and relax a bit, 20 minutes before we jump on the boat here again. Just walking around and explore a little bit in the background. So beautiful. Yeah, that certainly was a pretty amazing coffee break. Almost finished the coffee already here, but it's pretty hot outside, so need to stay hydrated. Keeping calm, of course, drinking my coffee. But now we're gonna go back, so see you when we get there. Yeah, that was amazing. Definitely money and time well spent. But now we're gonna find a taxi and go back to the big city. It was a good compromise here. Not too far away and not too long time. Fantastic. We got some great adventure and great food, just where I like it. But now let's go back. Yeah, let's get back from the hotel now after that nice visit to the canals. A lot of good food and sightseeing. The sky is turning really nice now. It's around 6 p.m. We have these fluffy clouds here in the background, so just having a bit of a few swims here. Definitely feel quite tired when I don't have any carbs early in the day, but there's a lot of good meat instead. So I think for tonight I'm gonna refill a little bit. I already had some fruit because I went to the massage before, and to not fall asleep I had a bit of a melon, but I think later I'm gonna have maybe some rice, maybe some chicken, we'll see, or pad thai, we'll see what I found. But very nice to just take a bit of a swim here, relax. But I think I'm gonna try and fly my drone here on the sunsets, we'll see. I will see you a bit later at dinner. Okay, so welcome to Sunday night here in Bangkok. I'm having a Coke Zero here to hydrate a bit, 0 calories, and make sure you don't get too hungry. I'm just gonna walk down the street again, actually same as I ate the first night. Don't wanna walk too far away. Tomorrow I'm flying to Phuket, so I'm just gonna sit down, some basic Thai food. I don't need any complicated stuff. There's a lot of fancy stuff around there, and these kind of international pubs. There's a football going on in the background, but I don't need that. I just need some authentic Thai local food. So I think I'm gonna sit down here and just enjoy. So see you in there. I decided I'm gonna take a little bit of a walk. It's kind of boring to have the same restaurant twice when you have so many options. Came from in there, but I'm gonna cross over here under this big road, go this way. It's a lot of bars and everything, but I'm gonna skip the alcohol for now. Had 2 drinks yesterday actually, so I'm gonna see if I can find some local Thai place in there. I'm sure we're gonna find something nice. Definitely a lot of Western bars and pubs here in the background, but that's not really what I'm looking for. I wanna have some more local stuff. Let's see. Maybe I can sit down here. I want some very basic things. Nice, finally we get the food. We're sitting down a bit outside. There's some cool kind of alley here. Getting some nice chicken. It's like the garlic pepper chicken, and then we had some healthy papaya side. Not gonna go too crazy on the carbs, so I'm having actually the version with the salted fish and I think the crab, so that's gonna be quite interesting. Let's try it. I have no idea how you're supposed to eat this one. Let's try it. I don't even know if you can chew it or not. Let's try it. Interesting, very fishy. Not my favorite. Okay, so we have some good papaya here with sugar. Let's try that one. Ooh, definitely very hot. Wow, good cucumber is perfect to fill you up so you don't get too many carbs and calories from the wrong thing. Okay, but let's try the best part, chicken. Let's have a big scoop here. It's looking fantastic. Always prioritize having a lot of protein. This is amazing. Definitely very good. Okay, I have a bit of a rice as always, but that's not the priority. But let's try it. Good sauce here with the garlic and the pepper. Yeah, but the chicken definitely is the highlight of the dinner, so I'm gonna focus on this part. Really nice. Very nice after a long day to fill up on a lot of healthy stuff here. Definitely prefer a salad, so I'm just gonna take my time, enjoy this, and end the evening in a very healthy way. And then tomorrow I'm gonna be at Phuket, so see you a bit later after dinner. Yes, after that very spicy dinner actually, but very cheap, only 140 baht, so that's like €5 maybe. Quite satisfied actually. Just gonna take a walk here to get the sweat off here and get some steps in. I always try to take like a 10, 15, 20 minute walk after dinner to just ease the digestion. But I'm just gonna relax a bit, walk around the neighborhood here. So much cool stuff going on in the back and call it an early night. But it was a pretty nice day. Hope you enjoyed it as well. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.